in this video.
And a spanner. What is that? I'm doing this rough, of course. Hello sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. Quick video. I've got a really big video coming up of a new tool that I've just got. I think you're going to love it, but it's going to take me a while to put this video together. But in this video, I've been to Lidl and Aldi this time and bought some tools from the middle aisle. If you're new here, subscribe. I've got loads more videos like this, so let me show you what I bought. But first, lasers. So I got this about a week ago. Cordless PLANER. It uses the 12-volt batteries, which I don't have yet. Doesn't come with the battery in it. Reduced from $12.49 to $9.99. So I thought I'd get it while I can. Bare unit. There is a range of the 12-volt batteries, which are slightly different to these, the 20-volt that I use on my cordless drills and that paint sprayer that I bought. And it's a brushless motor, extra on life due to less wear and tear. £9.99. I thought I'd get it while it's on offer, and then I'll start getting the batteries as they come into stock. There's a few accessories with it. X key holder, connection for external extraction, includes adapter, simple chamfering with central V-groove. Ooh. And now I have got a PLANER. It's on its last legs. It's 240 volt. So I thought I'd get one. Right, let's open it up. Anything else on the box we need to know? Exchangeable reversible HSS PLANER blades, left or right ejection, handle and pommel with anti-slip soft grip elements, 14,500 RPM, planer width 56mm, cutting depth 0 to 2mm, rebate depth 0 to 17mm, recommended battery 12 volt 4 amp hour. Right, let's open it up. Usual Parkside box, same as, pretty much the same size as my cordless drill boxes. Slightly different. Over center catches on top. Get it this way. Red handle. I do like the red accents on Parkside. Here we go. Lots of rubber. Like to see it. No rubber on the side though. Or on that side. So mainly just around the grip. Trigger plastic red and then rubber on the surface. Safety button on the side. That's where the hex key sits. Instructions in the box. We want the code PHA12B2. Accessories we got. The adapter for the extraction by the looks of it. And a spanner. Oh, it's proper in there, isn't it? A spanner. Leave that out. Leave the instructions out. Am I going to read them? That's a different matter. So unfortunately, I can't demonstrate it in this video. I will do though when I get the batteries. So there's the blade, the HSS blade. 2 blades. That's what the spanner's for, to release it, by the looks of things. What we got here? What's that then? What is that? Consult the instructions. So it's a directional insert. So we can either put it in that way round, I think. That blanks off that end. And then it fires out here. Put it in both sides, so directional, so it comes out that side instead. Or take it out, pop this one in. Is that right? Is that, I've got it upside down. Is that better? Yeah, probably. Yeah, so we can put an extraction on there. So in that way, put the blanks off that end, then we can put an extraction. Yeah, we need to try this out when I get a battery. Put it in the other side as well. Handy to have, and while we're not using it, I'll stick that back in there. Good. So we've got a little battery indicator on the top there. Cutting depth knob on the top. Clicks in at 0. And then it goes all the way up to max, so the full rotation. The Allen key removes the blade. 2 blades. Just there, some little grub screws. So a retractable planer guard just there. Fitted with a 4 amp hour battery, it weighs 1.9 kilos. Handle on top, pommel. Top that's got rubber on as well for good grip. Here is called the shaving ejector. What a name. Sound pressure level 79.4 decibels. Sound power level 90.4 decibels. So that's about it for the cordless PLANER. I'll do another video on it when I get the batteries. Next. Now, as you may have seen in other videos, I've got one of these. I call it a poor man's track saw. Basically, it's a long clamp and a saw guide for like a circular saw or a jigsaw. Works really well. You can adjust the angles of it as well, you can see on there. And then you pull that back. It's about 1 metre long. You can do, well, it's just over 1 metre long, but you can only cut up to 1 metre wide on timber. It's a shame, really, it doesn't go to 1200. I was watching Heath's workshop and he's just bought a 1200mm one. I think that was around £21. I can't remember what the brand was now, but this is a Parkside. Come in great use, worth every penny. I think it was around a tenner. Well, I bought another one from Parkside, slightly different. I mean, for example, it's got a nice rubber grip on there. The other one didn't. Red, again, it's nice to see red. I've got this obsession with red accessories, but it's easier to see. And then you've got the other end that moves in the same way. So you can slide along. Once you've locked it in place, clamps in, and you can do it at angles as well. Again, this is about 1 metre long, well, for cutting wood 1 metre wide. Pretty much exactly the same, and it was £9.99. So I thought for clamping up wood that's up to, say, boards, etc., that's up to 1 metre wide, I can use 2 of them now, because I'll only obviously need 1 saw guide at once. But yeah, £9.99. There's a code if you need it, 449774. Let's quickly zoom out to show you. So yeah, that's the new one. Pretty similar. A little hook at the end to hang it. And the other one, black handle, no rubber on the grip. And I forgot to mention, if you push the handle down, it gives you the extra clamping force. Rubber here, but pretty much works exactly the same way. So yeah, I've got 2 of them. Next. So as I say, I also went to Aldi, let me zoom in, and got some spring clamps. Look at those, £3.99. I've already got these from all over the place. Let me just grab one. Are these Parkside? Where's that one from? Oh yeah, look, Parkside. And that one, Parkside, there we are. So I can't remember how much I paid for them, but these were £3.99 for a 12-piece set. Can't go wrong, I don't think. Well, let's see what they're like first. Varying sizes. Sorry to interrupt, but I always say, if you can give me a thumbs up, it really helps my channel out. Cheers. Douche. So one's the same. Let's see what the force is. Now that's slightly softer. I don't know if I prefer that. That's more of a grip, of course. Oh, yeah. Work your muscles up with that. Whereas that one's quite easy. Well, yeah, similar sort of design. Rubber grip. Adjustable tips on the end. You can move depending on the angle of the wood or whatever you're clamping up. Slightly thicker on the main body on the Parkside, but pretty much a much of a muchness. All saying that, look here, look. Bolt and nut, recess screw and nut on that one. On this one, I think it's just plastic. Both have got springs, of course. Yeah, it's a plastic pin through the middle. Now, will time tell to show that that's going to break? I don't know. We've got to give it some hammer. But yeah, that's the clamps. Here's the small one. Diddy. Medium. Let's see what there is, actually. What have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Small, medium, large. Next. Big wipes. Look at these. Scrub and clean. Removes industrial grime, paint, adhesive, PU foam, silicone, gap filler, oil and more. Double action with aloe vera and vitamin E. So good on the hands. 40 sheets. Cleans hands, tools and surfaces. Now I've used up to now. Where is it? It's just ran out. There we go. I use these anti-back ultra grime sheets. There's 100 in there. I can't remember how much I paid for them, but yeah, I've run out of those, so time to buy some more. And anyone seen Scout's Crafted channel, he uses similar, I don't know if he uses big wipes or something similar, for removing dirt and grime off tools, etc. And I've used them other ones before for tools and they come up really well. So let's get a dirty rubber handle tool. Got some old wire strippers here. Look at the handle though. Oh, what are they made by? Halfords then. Right, let's give it a go. I need to undo the cap first. Do we? Yep. So pull that back. Up. Like a bull in a china shop sometimes. Quick sniff. Oh yeah, smells nice. Get the first one coming out. Like so, pop him out. Flicked in. Right. Am I taking one here or thousands? Well, is that it? Yeah. Yeah, I took 2 out there, look. Wasting. I'll find a use for it. I'll clean a workbench down or something. Quite a rough surface, actually. Yeah, I think that aids it. Let's give it a good twist. Ooh. Yeah, I think it's faded over time. These used to be red. It's gone like a pink now. But we get the idea. So there we go. Yeah, look, you can see where it's faded in the sun. It's been near the window. It was red. Pink. Yeah, that's cleaned up well. Got this little old toolbox here with all sorts of things in there. And all sorts of stuff. Let's give that a go. Oh, that's satisfying. I'm going to give it a quick going over. I'll finish it off later, but you get the idea. Nice. I'll use that for somewhere else. Here we go, big wipes. See in Aldi, they're mainly Workzone or Ferrex, is its own brand. Big wipes at Aldi, and they were £2.99. Can't go wrong. Next, I've already got quite a few hammers, but I've got this Machinist hammer because it was £1.99. Reduced from £3.99, I think it was. Nice plastic handle with a rubber grip in the crucial parts, look. I've already got one similar from Parkside. I can't remember which that was now. Anyway, so this is a Workzone from Aldi, Machinist hammer. There's also some claw hammers there as well at £1.99. There we go. Yeah, it's very similar to that. Pretty much exactly the same, except this is a wooden hickory handle. Hang it on the wall. Good finish, no sharp edges. Nice. Next, something I probably need plenty of in my shed. Fire stop fire extinguisher for small fires only, of course. £6.99. Timber, flammable liquids and oil. I don't know what they represent. So 3A. I know A is obviously for timber. B, flammable liquids. F for cooking oil, etc. And then the number before, I always thought if for liquids it was the litres. So it will do 13 litres of flammable liquid, 5 litres of cooking oil. But then I wonder, 3 on the timber is, or for wood, is that for small amounts? Probably just put out a small fire. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know for sure. Do your own research first. But yeah, £6.99, made by Reanold Max. Reanold Max. You see on there, houses, caravans, cars, people, barbecues, irons, boats, tents, laptops, Christmas trees. 500 millilitres. I've already got some fire extinguishers in here, but I don't think we can have too many, especially with the things I get up to. Right, next. Contour gauge from Workzone again, and this one was £2.99. Not bad, eh? Well, let's see what it's like first. I think we pretty much know what a contour gauge is all about. Let's open him up. So for doing floor laying, for example, if you want to go up against an edge, got a lock off at the end there. Locking off whatever position. So if we go up against a wall, let's go back. Let's go up against the wall. There we are. And then, oh, it's a funny angle wall. Let's say with a contour just there as well. Then we're laying floor. We can go right up against it. And then we know what line to cut for the laminate or whatever flooring we're putting down. Take that away. Or if we're going around pipe work, around radiators, etc. for flooring. Copper pipe, for example. Go around the copper pipe. Doing it one-handed here, but you get the idea. Contour of it. Lock it up at the back here. Now also, there's they magnets at the back? Oh, they are. Where would that come in handy? Where would we use magnets for something like this? Put your comments below. Be interested to know. Another thing I thought of using it for as well, for my lathe, when I'm making like this candlestick holder, and then to get the shape to replicate it, I'm doing this rough, of course, you get the idea. So I can use it as a template for the next one. Oh, it looks all right actually, that. Yeah, that's not bad. And lock it off. Ready for the next one. I can sort of offer it up against it. So yeah, good. £2.99. It's also got a ruler, centimetres and in inches down the side. What do you think to the bits that I bought from Aldi and from Lidl, the workzone and the Parkside range? That planer I really want to get stuck into and see how good it is. I'm going to wait till the batteries come out, the 12 volt, and I'll get some of those. As I say, I've got a huge video coming up, and it means reading lots of instructions for this, which is, for me, as you may know, yeah, I'm not the best at, but I've got to for this. Thanks to all my new subscribers, thanks to my old subscribers, thanks for giving me a thumbs up. Comment below anything you like. It helps me and others understand all the things I've missed, that I've forgotten, or I'm ill-informed. These are just things I buy and get up to at the weekend. A link here to all my tool reviews from Parkside, wherever. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers. See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.